Please, if you are new here, my name is Nimanambe and I make a lot of videos about home remedies and then food recipes and of course business ideas and sometimes some life vlogs. Another question says, please, I want to prepare it in bulk and sell. Measurements. Yes, I think I mentioned this. Okay, it is the same as in you are preparing it in small quantities. Okay, just make sure the carbohydrate is like 3 part of it and then the protein is 1 part of it. Okay, yes, that is the recommended. Okay, and then your tombrown is going to come out perfect. Carbohydrate 3 part and then protein 1 part. Okay, so you can use like 1 olonka of rice, 1 olonka of wheat, 1 olonka of soya beans, but then the groundnut is going to be in small quantity. Okay, because you can't use groundnut, a lot of groundnut in your tombrown. It is going to have a lot of oils and it's going to have a lot of moisture and it will not let your tombrown to last. So in the videos you will see the measurement that I used. So I used, like, let's say if you take 1 olonka of granules, you are going to divide it into 4, then use 1 part of it for the 1 olonka of rice, 1 olonka of wheat, 1 olonka of soya beans. I don't know if you are getting me. Okay, yes, but then groundnut has some amount of protein in it. Yes, it is added to the soya beans. You can make your calculations and see how it is, but then it's supposed to be 3 part of carbohydrate to 1 part of protein. So you can decide the type of protein that you are going to use in making your tombrown. Okay, somebody also asked, can I add tiger nut and dates to this recipe? Yes, that was the 4 cereal tombrown recipe. Somebody asked whether you can add tiger nut and dates. I have a video of tiger nut and dates mixed tombrown in my channel. You can check that one as well. Of course, you can add tiger nut and dates to make your tombrown. Okay, and you can add it to the 4 cereal mixed tombrown to make your tiger nut and dates mixed tombrown. That what type of rice? I think I answered this one. Okay, you can use any type of rice. You can use local rice, you can use white rice, you can use brown rice, any type of rice that you want to make your tombrown. Okay, how to prepare tombrown porridge? Somebody asked, how can I prepare tombrown porridge using this tombrown powder? I think I have a video of how to prepare the tombrown porridge in my channel, but I will just walk you through it. Okay, it's not that cumbersome. You just make sure your utensils are clean, everything is clean. Then you make sure that your water is boiling in the pot that you are going to prepare the tombrown in, and then you make a paste with the tombrown powder. Okay, make sure that it's not too thick and not also too watery. Okay, then you add a little bit of salt to your boiling water whilst it is in the heat or in the flame. Then you pour your mixture of tombrown or your tombrown paste into the boiling water and you stir it continuously. If you leave it, it is going to form lumps. Okay, so as you are pouring your tombrown paste into it, you are going to continue stirring it until everything dissolves very well. Okay, then it will form a porridge. Then you let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes, as long as you want. If it is too thick, you adjust the water. If it is too light, you have to prepare another paste and then add it just to your taste. And then you have to also adjust the salt. Okay, because I made mention that you can add salt in your tombrown powder if you are preparing it. Second but last question says that what are the measurements? What are the measurements? I think I already answered this particular question. And then another one says, can you add bambaram beans? I don't know. I know you guys know what bambaram beans are. Okay, they are also form of protein. Whether you can add, somebody is asking whether she can add bambaram beans. In one of my tombrown videos, I added black-eyed beans. I'm sure that is what the person saw, and then the person is asking if she can add bambaram beans to make her tombrown powder. All depends on you. It is a type of protein. Okay, all depends on you. It is a type of protein, but I have never done tombrown powder using bambaram beans. What do you say? You can use it and then come and tell us how it feels or how it looks like making tombrown and adding bambaram beans to it. Yes, it will be a new recipe for all of us to also try our hands on. Yes, I think I've answered all the questions that I wrote on this piece of paper. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and keep on supporting me. Have a nice day and bye.